Hi everybody, I'm in Florida and I'm dropping in on a Cob Building workshop with my friend Alex Summerall. Here he is.
Hello.
Thanks for having me and
Sure.
talking to the people.
You're
So
welcome.
the big question that I get about Florida, because now I'm visiting here to look for land because I didn't want to dig a well out in Joshua Tree. Not super fan of that. So this has been here for what, a year?
Yeah, 1 year.
Okay. And this is in Florida where it rains. This stuff is old. It has been rained on. Could you give a little explanation of how this has worked, like you were telling me before?
So this whole building has been here for 1 year.
Mm-hmm.
We started this in April 2017.
Yeah.
And it's been sitting here out in the open, like pretty much totally exposed since September. So almost 8 months.
Of Florida rain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the worst damage we got here. We had a little bit slump off the side, but it's not any kind of structural damage.
Right.
So we'll just patch that up.
Okay, and that's what you put this metal thing
Yeah.
in to give it something to hold on to.
These bits of metal,
Interesting.
something for it to grip onto.
Okay.
But this is sort of a testament to how resilient Cob can be
Right.
to the weather.
Yeah, and you covered the top when you're not doing it so the rain doesn't come directly down on it, right? But the sides are okay, mostly. I mean,
yeah, the sides were totally open.
And the bottom is concrete, right?
Yeah, the foundation here is 100% concrete.
Oops, sorry guys, I'm gonna change the grip here. Okay, yeah, so this is concrete and it's about a couple feet underground. But even in Florida with flooding and stuff, you say that it only needs about 1.5 feet.
Yeah, it's good to have your foundation, the stem wall as we call it, come up at least a foot, maybe 1.5 feet off the ground.
Okay.
And that helps to keep water, like rain splashback, away from the cob or earthen wall.
Okay, cool. And then this will eventually get coated with another layer.
Right, right. So all of this earth material will be coated and protected once the wall is done.
Okay, I'm gonna put crystals in mine.
Yeah, you can put whatever you want in these walls. It can totally take it.
Cool. Yay, okay, well, thank you so much.
Sure.
Yeah, and Alex might be helping me build mine. We might do more workshops. That's a great way to
definitely.
do it because it takes what, like, how many people a week to build a foot-ish, do you usually think?
Maybe 5 to 6 people, like a team of 5 to 6 people.
Interesting.
We could get this much done in a week.
How much? You again?
Maybe
About,
like
yeah, that's about like 1.5 feet, 2 feet, something like that. How much is that?
about,
Like
about a foot and a half.
So what I'm trying to do is a small footprint, but a high building. So what I'm doing is working out my mind with help, how much I can just do and how much I need people to come in and help me with. And I guess it depends on the project, right?
Yeah, there's all kinds of variables.
Yeah.
So,
Interesting.
I mean, like, for example, the soil here in North Florida, it has a lot of sand in it, as opposed to like Georgia or Tennessee, which got a lot more clay in it.
Okay.
So you get a much stiffer mixture. Whereas here, with lots of sand, you have to wet the mixture down a lot more. So that can slow the building process.
You said that the rain started. That's
Yeah, and we've got rain coming in, so perfect timing.
Yes. So how can people find you, Alex?
You can find me at my website, www.thiscobhouse.com, and Cob is C-O-B, so it's thiscobhouse.com.
And cob means, because people ask me, like, what is cob? It's not corn on the cob. It's like earth mixed with straw.
Yeah, so Cob is an earthen building material, and it's composed of soil, aggregate, which is sand, fiber, we use straw, and water, and you mix it together. And you take a lump of it, that's called a cob. That's where the term comes from. In Devon, England, they call that a cob.
Oh, interesting.
Yep.
I did not know that. Awesome. Well, thank you very much, Lee.
You're welcome.
Yeah, and check out Alex's work. He's going to start doing a lot more stuff online, too. We've been chatting about that all morning. So I know a lot of you guys are researching. It's hard to find things. So now you have another link. So, yay.
Yeah, so check out my website. There's all kinds of resources. I've got video courses, lots of free resources. So
Beautiful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yay. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.